Guys, welcome to another video. So we have got a haul from Born Pretty to have a look at today. We have got 5 gel polishes. So we've got 2 that are kind of glittery ones, and then we have got these 3 which are cat eyes. So these are out of the Mambo Ice collection. And then these 2 are glittery ones out of the same collection. Not sure what the name of that collection is. I think that says sequins glitter gel. So they all come seal wrapped like this. You get 10ml in these bottles. You've got the swatch there, and then you've got the colour name and number on the label on the lid. They've only just started putting them on the lid and I really like it. So you've got your directions on the back, so they cure for 60 seconds. You've also got the ingredients on the back there as well. So we've got my swatch sticks all labelled. Let's get them swatched. Now I'm going to swatch the 2 glitter ones first, and then I'll give them a top coat off camera, and then we'll do the cat eyes after. So while I'm swatching these, I'm just going to pop a little bit of music on, speed the swatching up, and let you enjoy the swatching.
Change, and I feel that you mean it, but you're so right, we're losing track of time, buying things online and it's not like we need them, we don't need them, so can we just slow down? The only thing I'll do is lay here next to you. We need to slow down, embrace the love we found. For you and I are safe and sound. We were on the run, rocking around the clock. Now all we need is right here in front of us. In front of us.
Right, we're on to the cat eyes now, guys. So these 3 are out of the Mambo Ice collection. We've got MY58, MY59, MY60. So we're going to go with MY58 first. Take a look at this one. Guys, look at that colour. Oh my days, it is beautiful. It's like a shimmery grey. Oh, it's so pretty. I love it. This is probably one of my most favouriteest base colours of a cat eye, should I say. I do quite like them cat eyes that are a little bit different to the base colour. But look at this. It's like a shimmery grey. Just as a full cover colour, I absolutely love it. Just without the cat eye effect. Look at that. It's got like a kind of golden shimmer to it there. So we're going to get the magnet now, and as you can see, when you bring the cat eye out, the cat eye is like a silvery white. Again, still really, really pretty. Love it. And then, like I do with all my swatches now, we're going to do the viral heart cat eye trend. So I've just popped the paper clip on my magnet, hold that up to the nail until I'm happy with the shape of that heart. Then once I'm happy with that, we'll pop that in the lamp to cure. Look at it, guys. It's so cool. It's like it's got a heart LED light in there. It's so bright. So I'm going to pop that in lamp to cure, and I'll speed the other 2 up, pop a little bit of music on, and then we'll come back in and take a look at the colours. Right guys, so that's all the swatching done. I've also give all the swatches a coat of Born Pretty's Super Top Coat. Their shiny top coat. It is amazing. It's scratch resistant, stain resistant, anti-yellowing. It stays shiny for weeks. It's like my go-to shiny top coat. I love it. So they're the two sequin glitter gels. They're beautiful, aren't they? I love them shards in there. They're really pretty, and that's what they look like after 2 coats. And then these are the 3 cat eyes out of the Mambo Ice collection. Again, really, really pretty. But that NY58, that grey one, is my favourite, definitely, without a doubt. So I'm definitely going to be doing a design with that today. So I'm just going to get set up and we'll get cracking. I've pulled out my red iguana hand and I've slotted some of them pre-coloured full cover tips in them cuticle wells. Pulled out NY58, that favourite cat eye of mine. Now on this pointer fingernail, I'm just painting some diagonal strips. I'm applying the bulk of the product with the brush out of the bottle, and then I'm going to go in with my striping brush and I'm just going to neaten them up. I just want them strips to be nice and straight. I want them edges to be lovely and crisp. So once I'm happy with them and they're all nice and neat, pulled out my magnet and we're going to bring that cat eye effect out. And then once I'm happy with that, I'll pop that in the lamp to cure for 60 seconds. Now I've pulled out the glitter gel Wish, which is that silvery one. And again, I'm just applying the bulk of the product with the brush out of the bottle on the top of that cat eye, and then I'll go in with my striping brush and neaten all that up. Nudge the glitter about until I'm happy with it. I'm not one of these people that can just leave glitter where it falls. I have to nudge it about and it has to be where I've imagined it's going to be. So I'm going to pop that in the lamp to cure for 60 seconds. I'm going to be using NY58, that grey cat eye again. On this pinky now, I'm painting a kind of half moon shape on the right hand side of that tip. Now the reason I'm laying the cat eye underneath the glitter on these nails is because that glitter is quite sparse and I want there to be a kind of background colour to it. I don't want it to be clear behind there. So I thought if I add the cat eye underneath, it's just going to give it that little something else. It's going to give it that little bit of base colour underneath, isn't it? Then I brought the cat eye effect out with the magnet, cured it for 60 seconds, and then like we did on that pointer fingernail, I'm going in with that Wish glitter gel polish. Applying it with the brush out the bottle, and then going in with my striping brush to neaten it all up. Just fine neating it up with your brush as well. It stops it from being really bulky. So I'm going to cure that for 60 seconds. Now on the ring fingernail, we're going to be doing the viral cat eye heart trend, but we're going to be doing a few hearts on this nail. So I've applied a nice thin coat to the whole of this nail. And then I'm going to pull out my magnet and we're going to bring that cat eye effect out. Just give it a little wiggle up the sides, a little wiggle at the tip. Just like that. And then I'm going to add my paper clip to that magnet. And I want to do the first heart in the cuticle area, but I want it at a slight diagonal. Just like that. Then once I'm happy with that heart, then I'll pop the nails in the lamp to cure for 60 seconds. I'm now going to go in and apply another thin coat of cat eye. Bring the cat eye effect out with a magnet. And then I'll go in and I'm going to do the heart in the middle of the nail. This one's going to be straight. As you've probably noticed, you can't do all 3 hearts at the same time. You do have to cure in between and apply another layer of gel. Because if you try and do all 3 at the same time, once you're doing one, it'll disfigure the other. You couldn't even do 2. You have to do them all individually. So once I'm happy with that, I'll give that a cure for 60 seconds and that'll be that nail done. I've now pulled out my palette and I'm going to add a little bit of this 003 white gel paint to my palette. Run my striping brush through that gel. And on this nail, I'm going to paint a smile line, but only half of a smile line on the left-hand side of that tip. So I'm not doing a full free edge. I'm not filling in that with colour. All I'm doing is the outline to a half French tip. Now I just want to thicken that up a little bit. And then once I've thickened that up and I've got it exactly how I want it, I'll then pop that in the lamp to cure for 60 seconds. This gel paint is a really nice gel paint as well, guys. It is so opaque and really nice to work with. So that's all fully cured. I'm now painting 3 dots just above that smile line, like that. And then I did give that a quick flash cure for 10 seconds just to hold it in place. And then on the right hand side of this tip, I'm painting another smile line, but as you can see, where it meets the left hand side, it is a slightly lower smile line, and I'm doing that with the MY58 cat eye. So I've just used the brush out of the bottle to lay the product. Now I just want to neaten it up with my striping brush. And then once I'm happy with that, I'll pull the magnet out and bring that cat eye effect out, and then just give it a quick flash cure just for 10 seconds, and that'll just hold it in place. I'm now using that white gel paint again with my striping brush, and I just want to outline these stripes. I just think that outlining them with a really thin line of white is just going to make them pop that little bit more. So yeah, I'm just going to outline the stripes, and then I just want to paint a little tiny heart above those 3 dots and then give them all a full cure for 60 seconds. So now that's the artwork all done, I'm just going to go in with Born Pretty's base coat. Now the reason I'm going in with a base coat before I top coat is because where I've used glitter, the nail art is a little bit lumpy bumpy. So I find if I go in with a base coat before I top coat, it just evens the nails out. So now we're ready for Born Pretty's super top coat, which is their amazing glossy top coat. I'll just show you me top coating 2 of the nails, and then I'll do the other 2 off camera. This top coat is amazing, guys. It's my go-to shiny top coat. I love it. Give them a cure for 60 seconds. That is what the nails look like all finished, guys. Really cute, easy design, isn't it? I love that cat eye, you know. That cat eye is a really, really beautiful colour. It's like a silvery grey. So it's like a grey, but then the cat eyes are silver. It's a really, but it's got a kind of hint of purple to it as well. It's a really pretty, unusual colour. I like it. And it works really well with the glittery gel as well, doesn't it? They work really well together. So yeah, that's the nails all done, guys. Let's have a look at the swatches again one last time. So we've got the 2 glittery ones, and then we've got the 3 cat eyes. I'm definitely going to be doing that viral heart trend on all my swatch sticks. I just think it looks so cool. So I'm definitely going to have to keep that up now. So everything that I've used today, guys, I'm going to leave links for in my description box below. Like I said in my last Born Pretty video, I am going to pin a massive 22% off discount code for the Born Pretty website, just because my discount code is nearly half of that. And I want you guys to save as much as you can. So I'll make sure that I pin that in my comments. So make sure you take full advantage of that if you do decide to place yourself an order. And that is the end of the video, guys. So I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. And I hope to see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.